Good morning, everyone. We have all heard of the Great Commission in Matthew chapter 28 and in verse 16 to 20. But we want to just zoom in on one of the verses there in verse 19, which says, "Go, therefore, and make disciples of all the nations." Now, when we look at the word nations, naturally we think of countries. A body of a country, like you think of Malaysia, you think of Australia, Singapore. That's nations as we know it. But when we look in the Bible, the word nations is not actually how we understand it. In fact, this was found out at the Lausanne Conference on Missions in 1974, where they looked at this verse and they realized that in the Greek, it is actually Panta, ta, ethne. Now, what does that mean? It means ethnic groups. Ethne means ethnic groups. So when we look at missions, it's not just about reaching nations, but reaching various ethnic groups in each nation. Like in Malaysia, we have more than 30 ethnic groups, which tells us that in missions, we have to reach every one of these ethnic groups. So can I encourage you, as you're praying for missions, rather than praying for nations, pray for every ethnic group to have a representative in heaven, that everyone will hear the gospel and they will come to the knowledge of Jesus. Remember, Panta ta Ethne is all about ethnic groups. Have a great day and continue to pray for missions.